I will show you now two possibilities to create a point at the middle of one element. First possibility, this is the easiest one. Use the function createPointOnline and click your element with the right mouse button. The point is directly created at the middle of the element. Second possibility, use the function createPointSingleOnline. Move your cursor to one end of the line on which you want to create the point. If necessary, press the function key F4 so that the correct line is highlighted. Don't move your cursor. Click now. Click then in the direction where you want to get the point and accept the distance indicated by the system. The point is created at the middle of the element.